isahang kainan na to. Ito talaga mas authentic na takoyaki kasi nasa Japan tayo ngayon. Itadakimasu. Thank you. Worth the wait. At first, this is our second hotel. Ayan yung bed niya. Ito naman yung view niya. It's the best beef I've tried ever. No joke. Hi guys, another day here in Tokyo, and today we will be exploring some of the most popular spots here in Tokyo. So right now we're going to Asakusa. We're taking the train from our hotel. Nasa Asakusa na kami guys. Yan ang taas ng nakyat namin hagdan. We made it. So we're now going to Sensoji Temple and then mag-try ng mga food. So street food, I mean hindi street food pero may mga restaurants at mga kainan dito sa area. Ay, hiningal ako doon. Check ko lang ulit yung map. So guys, from the subway station pupunta na kami. I mean short walk na lang siya going to Sensoji Temple. I think makikita ko na siya from here. Ang ganda ng mga plans here. Marami din kainan dito at saka mas busy to siya compared dun sa Appa Hotel area na pinag-stayhan namin. Sobrang quiet ng Higashi-Nihonbashi area guys. Pero what I like about it is that makapag-relax ka at the end of the day. So, ayan, maraming tao dito kasi this is very well known. So maraming tourist, unlike ng other areas na we mainly see locals, but this time ang daming tourists. Nakikita pala yung Sky Tree. Nakita mo yung Sky Tree, I think. Ayun. Pero pupunta muna tayo sa Sensoji Temple, guys. By the way, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Hindi siya, I mean malamig kasi syempre, pero hindi siya sobrang lamig. I mean, sobrang lamig siya compared sa lamig sa atin, pero hindi kasi siya freezing dahil nag-layering din ako, and then hindi din siya maulan. Hopefully hindi ulan kasi medyo gloomy yung weather. So yun, hindi siya mainit. Hindi maaraw, I mean. Tawid na tayo guys. Sobrang dami ng tao dito ngayon. Buti na naka-pink si Aye. Mas madali siyang makita kasi ang daming tao. Ayan, nakikita ko sa mga games before. Sobrang laki ng lantern. Tayo actually straight to going to the Sensoji Temple. Ito lang yung entrance. And maraming kainan sa area papunta dun. So perfect kasi wala pa kaming breakfast. It's almost lunch. So etong isahang kainan na to. Yan. So ayan guys, sobrang daming food stalls dito. Like sobrang dami. So nakaka-overwhelm siya kung alin yung kakainin. Actually, meron akong mga nakikitang vlog kung saan kakain dyan and like that. Pero, we're not going to follow that para hindi ako mahilo kakahanap saan ba yung area na yun. So, whatever attracts me or attracts my attention, then that's we choose to eat. Yun lang. Para mas ma-enjoy natin yung moment being here.
Yuki? Yuki?
No,
Is that
si
you?
Yuki. Yuki.
Sugar? Is that you, sugar?
temple. Kasi yung nakahalera ng mga food papuntang temple na straight lang is mostly pampasalubong at saka sweets, dessert. So medyo lumiko kami. Within Asakusa pa rin to. Merong pinipilahan dito. Ayan. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong pinipilahan. Pero they have like parang fried patty na type. But we'll see. Pumila lang din kami kasi parang masarap at mabango. 700 for 2. Here it is, we got it. Mabilis lang yung pila. So, ganyan siya. Parang nga siyang fried patty. Fried patty nga siya, no? I think this is beef. Garlicky, very juicy. Ma-oily siya dahil fried nga siya. Pero masarap. Sobrang gutom ko na. So good thing I got to. Let's go to another place. Guys, so pumasok kami dito. This is actually a designated area for you to eat kasi yung binilhan namin is para siyang ano lang on the go. Pero merong corner dito na pwede kang pumasok or nakatayo or umupo kasi may seat din para kumain kasi they do not encourage you to walk around while having or while eating. So hindi nila yon bawal yun. Kumbaga hindi nila yon inaalaw. So ayan. Tapos na kami, so mag-transfer naman kami sa ibang place. So guys, babawiin ko lang yung sinabi ko kanina. Meron akong mga nakikitang vlog kung saan kakain dyan. We're not going to follow that para hindi ako mahilo. Kasi ang hirap palang maghanap ng makainan. So yung ginawa ko, nag-search na lang ako ngayon, which is, huwag niyo akong gayahin. Mag-search lang kayo in advance kung ano magandang kainin pag pumunta kayo dito. Kasi ang daming place, pero mostly is parang dessert. So naghanap kami ng yung mga savory kasi ayaw ko mag-dessert o something sweet pag hindi pa nakakain ng something savory kasi masama yun, especially sa sugar or yung glucose level ng body natin. So yun yung unang meal natin. Tapos ngayon may nahanap naman na kaming iba pang place. Pero ang ganda ng entrance na to, para siyang na-preserve na lumang entrance ng something. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Pero tingnan nyo, meron nag-rental net dito din ng mga kimono. Guys, so kung nakahanap man kayo ng parang restaurant, yung makakainan dito malapit sa Sensoji Temple, lakad lang kayo pakabila, hindi yung straight mismo sa Sensoji Temple. May mga streets dyan, may mahahanap itong ganito. So mga kainan yan, mga restaurants, local restaurants. May nahanap kaming takoyaki. So ito talagang mas authentic na takoyaki kasi nasa Japan tayo ngayon. So random lang to nadaanan namin. So we will try the takoyaki. Touch your order, okay.
Money is okay?
Yeah. Thank you. So yan na siya guys. So pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mga extra garnishes or mga sauce. Meron sila doon. Hindi ko alam pero nilagyan ko na lang yung parang green at saka yung parang pickled na pepper. Kaya meron siyang red at green na parang seasoning. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. Meron daw siyang octopus sa loob. So guys, we went inside this place. marami ding souvenir stuff na pwedeng mabilhan dito. I'm not so sure if you can get the cheapest one from here, but since this is a touristy area, I think not. Pero maraming options andito you can buy. So guys, we're here sa Asakusa una na yung nakita namin na masarap sa TikTok. It's like rice na merong grilled eel ata yan. Unfortunately, hindi sila nagtitake ng order now. Pero, I mean, you can take the order now but not to take right away. Kailangan mong balikan siya after like 2 hours. So like about 3 p.m. So since aalis na kami by then, kasi pupunta pa kami ng Shibuya. So sayang, hindi natin siya matitikman. So, on the other hand, since we had 2 savory dishes na naman, so we will have the first dessert na lang. Nakita ko dito sa vlogs sa YouTube. It's like matcha, tapos may creme brulee sa top, parang melted sugar na nagiglaze siya. So, let's go ahead and try. Medyo mahaba din yung pila. Well, nakapila pa si Ariel guys. Nakita ko to sa tapat and it looks like na masarap. I ordered the Giraffa curry bread. Meron siyang mozzarella cheese.
So, you are ready.
Here it is. We finally got the dessert, guys. So let's go.
So this is the matcha sakura guys for 1,250 yen. It's actually so good, and this is very famous here here at Asakusa. Asakusa near.
Ang dami ng texture, ng flavor. Hindi ko alam kung ano nasa loob. Parang nuts. Hindi ako sure, pero masarap. This is worth the wait. Guys, ayan na yung temple, guys. Actually, mas lumamig na siya ngayon. Sobrang nilalamig na ako. Kailangan ko mag another layer mamaya. O maybe mag puffer jacket. Akala ko kaya lang neto kasi akala ko maaraw. Pero hindi maaraw. Parang almost ang uulan na weather, yung ganon. So, nilalamig ako ng sobra. So we made it here to the temple, guys, the Sensoji Temple. Nasaan na ba si Ai? Pasukin natin yan. I may... Ari Pikas. So done na kami. We're done here at Sensoji Temple. We're going back to the hotel to check out, get our luggage, and move to our next hotel, which is at least closer to Shibuya. Guys, we made it even though our schedule is for 2:40, but we made it for 3. We booked, by the way, our tickets on Klook. Use my Klook promo code MJS Klook to get discount. This is at Shibuya Sky. We're now going up. Can be brought in the rooftop. So only the bag.
Yes, no bags.
It is one too? Okay. Guys, the same sa Thailand. No bags are allowed when you go outside. Yung may glass floor. So we'll leave our bags in a locker. Secured with a page. It's for free. Tripod and monopod, it's also not allowed. So welcome guys to Shibuya Sky. By the way, no tripod, no monopod, no bags, but cameras are allowed. Here's the view. So aakyat na kami guys sa famous na escalator. Kasi baka close to pag umulan. Oh my god, ang lamig. So eto yung escalator guys. Nag-video ako. Ayan. Actually, hindi masyadong malamig dito sa taas compared sa baba kasi mahangin sa baba eh. Dito ngayon hindi. Buti na hindi pa umulan. Pero ang ganda ng view guys. Hindi siya ganun kataas. I'm not sure kung gano'n ito kataas. So ganito lang siya sa taas guys. Mas malawak siya compared dun sa Thailand. Mas malawak yung place. Meron ng helicopter na landing area dito. Actually, ang ganda niya. 360 nakikita mo. Pag umiikot ka, nakikita mo yung buong Tokyo. Sobrang lawak guys. Sobrang ganda. I hope it will not rain. Guys, so yung pinakagandang corner dito sa rooftop is merong private, merong special photo with their official photographer. So pwedeng photo, pwede ding soft copy. Pero with a cost, pero mura naman. Guys, so we're done here sa Shibuya Sky. If nagugutom din kayo, there's a restaurant here. So you can eat. There's also a souvenir shop. The same as any other observation deck. So yun. So guys, we had a photo shoot with their photographer earlier, so I'm choosing which photo. This one. Yeah. I look old with this one. With glasses.
Aggressive bright.
I look old. Okay. Oh, the bright, the reflection.
Yes.
So I am more handsome in here.
Yes.
Okay.
I think.
I trust you. I believe you. So I'll get this.
Only digital photo?
Yeah, only digital copy.
Plus 500 yen, you can get paper frame.
Oh, okay. Paper frame is also nice, right? Yeah, maybe I'll just get the photocopy.
Which one?
Digital. Yeah, this one is one. Yeah, I trust you. I'll show the price. Cash.
Yes.
So I got the QR code of my photo earlier with their official photographer. So alam nyo guys, kung gusto nyo magpa-picture dun, eto yung tip. You can go there and have the picture kasi after ng official photographer nila mag-picture sa'yo, you can have like a 1 minute using your phone. So, pwede ka mag-picture doon. And then, in case na hindi mo magustuhan yung photo dito or if you decided na hindi tayo kunin yung photo, then pwede din yun. At least you can get the spot in order to get a picture dun sa parang unobstructed or best angle ng rooftop for a photo. Guys, so we are now on another location. We're moving to our second hotel, which is Sotetsu Fresa Inn here in Daimon. And if you ask why we're moving hotel from hotel, first is that I want to give a lot of hotel recommendations sa inyo guys. So meron kayong pagpipilian. And by the way, these hotels are budget hotels at the same time with good ratings or good reviews. And then second is that mas near to sa second focus location namin dito sa Tokyo. So this time we will be exploring Shibuya. So this is like 2 train rides, about 20 minutes in total na travel time. Sobrang tahimik din ng place na to, same dun sa Higashi Nihonbashi. So yun, papunta na ako sa hotel. Update ko kayo pag naka-check-in ako. Okay guys, let me just appreciate yung sobrang convenience and how caring and careful dito sa Japan, especially pag may tinatrabaho na lugar or road work. The same dun sa malapit sa APA Hotel, meron tinatrabaho dun, they usually work at night. And then meron talagang nag-guide, hindi lang yung parang signage lang na ganyan, meron talagang taong nag-guide na this way. Same here, kahit kalye lang siya, dito may nag-guide. At the same time, they try doing their best to complete the job as soon as possible kahit may konting issue lang. So yun is parang nilagyan lang nila ng asphalt. So we're here at Fresa Inn. This is our second hotel. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo sa station o sa subway station, but ayan, we're here. Check-in muna ako. Yeah, 2 packs. Yeah. For tonight and tomorrow. 15. Yeah. Check out 17. Yeah.
No smoking room.
Yeah, no smoking room. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm now checked in. By the way, here you can get your pajamas, and then there are also some free amenities here if you want. So I believe they don't have this probably added in the hotel room, so you can get. How amazing is that? Meron siyang mga face mask. Ano pa ba? Actually, kompleto siya when you get it here. So yun lang. So I'm going to check the room. So this is our hotel room guys. Let's go. And wow. Actually same siya ng in terms of space. Same siya sa APA Hotel. Ayan. So room tour tayo. So ayan, so upon entrance, ayan dito yung full body mirror. Ayan yung mga hangers. Meron din siyang slippers. Merong maliit na upuan. Work desk. Meron siyang isang upuan. Merong another mirror here. Tapos dito, may cabinet. Ayan. Tapos dito naman, ayan yung mga cups. So wala dito yung mga coffee nila, tea kasi andun nga sa baba na amenities. Merong kettle, electric kettle. Okay, good. Meron silang extra extension, which is perfect. Meron ding hair dryer, hair blower, mini ref. Ayan yung TV. Ito, same din sa ano. I think this is humidifier. Ayan yung bed niya. Sa APA Hotel, I think medyo malaki yung bed. Ang sarap ng ano, heater. Ito naman yung view niya. So this is sa likod sa hotel. Okay din kasi may view at saka merong window for this price. Ayan. So again guys, check lang kayo ng availability sa hotel sa Klook. For additional discount, use my Klook promo code MJSKlook. Save nyo lang yan, redeem nyo lang yan at gamitin when you need. So let's check the CR or restroom. Yan, so very similar din siya sa Appa Hotel. Of course, Japan. Automatic toilet. Automatic bidet yan. Nasa gilid lang yung bidet niya. Yan yung tissue. Sink. Ang laki ng mirror. And then, yung shower. Meron din siyang parang mini tub. Ayan, kompleto-kompleto siya. So you can see, wala siyang yung mga toothpaste and all kasi kukunin talaga doon sa baba. So okay din siya. And unlimited yun doon. So perfect. This hotel is good. And guys, another night here in Japan. So hindi pa kami nakapag Shibuya. So yun yung pupuntahan namin. I mean, kanina nag-Shibuya Sky kami. Kaso hindi pa kami nakapagpunta doon sa Shibuya Crossing. So pupuntahan namin yun to witness the scrambled... Ano yun? Scrambled pedestrian. Yung ganon. Scrambled... Alimutan ko yung exact name. Pero scrambled. Basta yun sa... yung famous na pedestrian lane dito sa Japan na sobrang busy. It's time check, it's 7 PM. Siguro makakarating kami dun 7:30 via train or subway. Doon na din kami magdi-dinner. Sobrang lamig ngayon kasi umulan kanina. Pero same pa rin yung sinuot ko. It's just na nag-add ako ng extra layer which is ng heat tech. Kasi kanina ano lang ako yun. T-shirt, turtleneck at saka itong parang wind. Ba't parang nawawala ako? Parang nagme-mental block ako. Ano po? Windbreaker. Parang ganito. Parang windbreaker na dala. Doon kami maghanap din ng place for dinner. Malapit sa Shibuya. So we'll see you once we get there. Guys, we made it here at Shibuya Scrambled Crossing. So before tayo tumawid ulit because we're very hungry, so we'll find some place to eat and hopefully somewhere na meron siyang view ng Shibuya Crossing. It's true na ang dami talagang taong tumatawid dito. Here we're having yakiniku. This is just a restaurant close to Shibuya Crossing. So we're trying Wagyu. So we have Wagyu beef and steak for dinner. Ang ganda ng place dito. Actually, don't come here if yung gusto nyo lang is mag-photo sa Shibuya. Although yes, there is a view of Shibuya Crossing here, but they discourage customers coming in para lang mag-picture ng crossing. So if you wanna try Wagyu beef, authentic Wagyu beef, you can dine in here, but not for the main reason para mag-picture sa Shibuya Crossing, and they have that disclosure sa door mismo. But we're here to try authentic Wagyu, especially that we're here in Japan. Grabe, sobrang sarap guys. Yung that you can melt, sobrang sarap pa. Sobrang sarap ng ano niya, yung egg yolk. But maybe I can eat the egg yolk together with the rice. This is a very good decision guys. It's the best beef I've tried ever. No joke.
Well done, Nanji.
Oh my god. This is so good. Honestly guys, I'm ordering another famous Wagyu loin grilled for 3 seconds. Yung na-try namin first. Kasi sobrang sarap niya and I wanna try because it's only 1,250 yen. So I wanna try it again because it's just about maybe 400 pesos. Ganun, 400 pesos siguro, yeah. So imagine 1,250 yen for that experience. Sobrang sarap. So I'm going to get another one kasi baka magsisisi ako that I did not really satisfy myself with this one. So it's only 400 pesos. We cannot buy anything like this Wagyu beef loin in the Philippines for that price. So I'm going to try another one. That's for our Wagyu beef and steak experience, guys, here in Japan. Sobrang sulit, sobrang sarap. It's a must try. Make sure to visit this yakiniku that's Usihashi here in Shibuya. Guys, so nakashoot na ako. Pangapat na cross na namin to sa Shibuya kasi actually hindi lang naman kami. Ang daming taong pabalik-balik lang just to take video crossing the crossing the Shibuya pedestrian or Shibuya crossing. Parang naging tourist spot talaga siya dito sa Japan. Kasi ibang experience talaga siya eh. After crossing the Shibuya cross for several times, andito na tayo kay Hachiko. Nakikita ba? Picture tayo sa statue ni Hachiko. Done taking photo with Hachiko. Actually guys, marami din nagpapapicture dito kay Hachiko. And yung iba, hindi na papapicture but nagtatouch lang, nagtatap. I think showing respect sa kay Hachiko. So we're now going back to our hotel after the Shibuya. So meron ding 7-Eleven near sa hotel, although not as near as dun sa Appa Hotel na talagang kaharap lang. But dito, I think about like 300 meters, ganun, 300-500 meters. But walang problema, malapit to sa subway station. And luckily, I found yung hinahanap-hanap ko talaga sa mga convenience stores, 7-Eleven. Here, this is, if you've been, sure you know, JM Bangkisho. He's been recommending this one, so I'm so excited to try this kasi ang dami ding mga followers niya na nagja-Japan and nag-try doon, and then sabi niya legit, sobrang sarap, so I'm going to try that. I'm going to get this and then siguro breakfast bukas kasi not sobrang aga, pero 8 AM yung call time ng Mount Fuji tour namin bukas. So that means na dapat andun kami before 8 AM, so sobrang aga siya para pumunta kami doon. Although yung travel time doon sa train is like nasa 20 minutes lang, pero kailangan namin magbaon na lang. Ang cute nito, parang iba-ibang onigiri, may egg pa. Ang sarap ng food dito. May ref din naman sa hotel, so yun. Guys, sobrang fan ako ng cookie, pero look, may matcha cookie dito. Let me try this one. Actually, naku-curious ako sa mga matcha products. Kasi pag Japan talaga, diba, known na sobrang sarap ng matcha kasi yung ano talaga, authentic matcha. Maghanap ako ng iba. So ito na lang muna guys kasi babalik daw kami dito tomorrow for our breakfast para ma-heat kasi walang microwave dun sa... I think may microwave sa hotel eh. Sa kitchen nila. Okay, just to be sure na babalik na lang kami dito bukas before mag-tour. Ayan guys, babalik na kami sa hotel. Maaga pa kami bukas. Thank you guys for watching and follow for more. Bye!